What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video, another Kyrie video, obviously, by the title in the box. Hopefully everybody out there is having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see, it is upon us. If you guys see my videos before, my channel before, then you guys already see me give you the review on the Kyrie 5 Taco. But let's go ahead and talk about the original GR, the first colorway, the Black Magic, the first official GR colorway, which is the Black Magic, right here in this box. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button if you do. Share the video with everybody you know, so they can know your boy Bossco, of course. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get inside this box, you dig? This box indeed got some crazy graphic, as you see the Kyrie logo with the Kyrie 5 right there. Got the Nike check on the other side, and you got the Kyrie logo here. Pretty dope shoe. Official colorway is multicolor and white, maybe because of the bottoms. You might have seen pictures of these before. If you haven't, then you know this might be your first time. It's a fire shoe, and you know all the shoes that Kyrie come with, the first colorway is always black and white, and this one is no different. But it is a fire shoe. The silhouette is dope, and I'm just excited because it is a new Kyrie. And without further ado, what do you got? Look at the bottom. See how the bottom just pops as soon as I pull them out the box, man. Kyrie 5 Black Magic. Let me know what you guys think about these bad boys in the comment section below. I need all the details. Let me know if you guys are liking these or not. Are they worth the $130 price point? There are $10 more than the Kyrie 4s. I think they're worth it. They are now using Nike Zoom Turbo, which is different from Nike Zoom Air. It's the upgrade version of it, and it should be great for basketball. I'm gonna show you the details of these. Let me get the other shoe out real quick. Yeah, man, Kyrie 5, bro. These actually come out tomorrow. Luckily, was able to get my hands on these bad boys just a day early for you guys, so we can go ahead and talk about them. Maybe make your decision if you guys want to cop them or not. Let me put this one right here on the box. Actually, move this box out the way. See that shoe right there. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. The black silhouette, black with the white midsole, outsole, pretty much. It's like the outsole that comes to the midsole. You know how the Kyries do. Very dope colorway. I mean, it's black and white, pretty simple, but I like what they did. The detailing of this shoe is dope. You got that Kyrie Venus flytrap inspired lacing situation going on here with the Kyrie logo on the left shoe in signature over the flytrap area with the Kyrie logo on the tongue. On the other shoe, you have oh, this one has the Kyrie logo also. I was thinking it's going to be different for some reason because the Taco PEs had Taco on one side, Kyrie signature on the other side. Just be so excited trying to talk, man. Excuse me. But this shoe is definitely fire, definitely a cop in my opinion. $130 price point, like I said, $10 more than the Kyrie 4, but this is something you definitely might want to pick up. And look at that outsole, man. The colors on there just pops. This shoe is fire. I like the midsole with the black base with the white splatter speckles on it, like they always do, some speckle stuff going on here. The outsole comes over to the midsole once again. You kind of have like that shark bite thing going on with the colors on the side of the shoe. Very, very dope and unique. I think this shoe is, what was it, out of a 10? Out of a 10, I mean, are we going to go off the shoe itself, which I am? I want to give it a 10 because I love Kyrie's. But I'm trying to make sure, you know, this is, I don't know, man. I don't know. What would you guys rate this shoe on a 1 to 10 scale, bro? I like the Nike checks, how they got Nike checks on both sides like the Kyries always do. I noticed they have like a little warp pattern, like the Kyrie 4s always had that warp pattern going all the way through the shoe. It's only on this little back part of the shoe, which you guys can see when I do up close and personal details, as your boy Bossco always does. It's only in a small segment. Maybe even in the shape of a triangle, if you will. It's crazy. You guys will see what I'm talking about, man. This shoe is dope, bro. This shoe is fire. I'm going to give it a 9. I'm going to be safe and give it a 9. And I'm trying to see what would I want to do differently on it. And all I would say is the colorway. So it has to be a 10, right? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Very, very dope, man. I can't wait to get these on feet, which you guys will see. And up close and personal details. Spam the like button, spam the comment section. I need the feedback from the people. This stuff going on in the back is kind of crazy also. Kind of crazy, bro. Kyrie and his symbolism. On the inside, you have Kyrie's signature on one side of the shoe, the left side of the shoe. And then on the right side of the shoe, you have the Kyrie logo, the OG Kyrie logo, which is also on the tongue. Very, very fire shoe, man. Very fire shoe. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, man. It's been great. It's your boy Bossco talking about the Kyrie 5 Black Magic. Will drop tomorrow. What's the date on that? The 22nd, I believe, 22nd of November. Let me know if you guys are copying these in the comment section below. It's been great. Like I said, let's go ahead and get to the rest of the video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Yeah, as it was in the beginning, shall it be in the end. Yeah. I come from a part of town where niggas stay armored down, where the bitches stay prodded down, in the corner stay powdered down, the undercover cops be planning on to knock me. Freeze what? Fuck you, nigga better pop me. I leap for the fence, dog, leave no evidence, dog. Cook it, cut it, measure it, bag it, sell it. Cook it, cut it, measure it, crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it, bag it, sell it. Cook it, cut it, measure it, crack. That's that crack music, crack. That's crack, youngin'. That's all you need. Crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it, bag it, sell it. Crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it. 3 letters. Crack. That's that crack music, crack. That's crack, youngin'. That's all you need. Crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it, sell it. Crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it. I done had it out since the towers left. Y'all steady complaining. It's been a motherfucking drought since the towers left. I get and give the same price, get and give the same right. I get work, I'm getting rid of it the same night. Till I meet God, I judge myself. Fuck going to court, being judged by 12. Never. If I ever get pinched, my man, carry me by 6, my man. Cause more than likely it's a snitch on a witness stand. Crack. I play by the rules, I stay by the tools. See niggas without their swimsuits, lay by the pool. But as long as fiends still smoke crack, and I can still whip up a mean old batch and bring more back, I do that. It's no days slacking off. It's no days I'ma say I can't sell weight cause I had to bag it all. No. Jay said something about time to show money. Well, come on. Guess what? It's time to show money. It's time to see who got that high or low money. Range Road paid for, no time for notes, money. And since then, me and money been best friends. And since then, 50s and 100s, no less than. Crack, nigga. You guys full of it. You seen cash before, but not a shoebox full of it. You guys get full with a pocket full. Man, I'm trying to send my son to rocket school. I'm a H-U-S-T-L-E-R hustler. Cook it, cut it, measure it, bag it, sell it. H-U-S-T-L-E-R hustler. Cook it, cut it, measure it. The H to U, the S to T, the L to E, the R, that's who we are. I'm a H-U-S-T-L-E-R hustler. H-U-S-T-L-E-R. I do this shit well, show you how to spin.